Hey guys, so today we're gonna charge to 100%. So this is the first time mag-charge tayo to 100% because me and Andrea are going to Subic first and Clark after. So I don't really need to charge to 100% kasi Subic and Clark naman is not that far. But I just want to try as it is semi-long road trip. And I just want to see from here Makati all the way to Subic kung how much is the percentage. So I'm gonna drive it normally. The setting ko is always normal. Kasi guys, na-try ko na yung chill mode dito sa performance. And I don't like it. You could feel na talagang siguro pag I don't feel like driving the car na spirited, like quickly, then I'll put chill. Pero I think standard is okay. Hindi na kailangan ng insane, guys. But anyway, so I'm in 70%, it'll take 35 minutes. So 30% will, from 70 to 100 is 35 minutes. I'm charging dito sa Corinthian Park. Malapit dito sa condo. So, yun. And I don't know how much it'll cost. Later, I'll let you know. Yun guys, so I'll continue the vlog tomorrow.
Okay, are there any virgins here who are...
Hey guys, so we're here at Subic. We just checked in. So we checked in this new hotel called Ibis Style Subic. It's a nice hotel, guys, by Accor. Then, so guys, kapon nag-charge ako all the way to 100%, which is 510 kilometers pag kinonvert mo. Anyway, going back to from Makati to Subic. So we took, of course, Skyway, NLEX, and SCTX. So guys, I put it on my normal setting instead of chill. At the same time, I drove the car spiritedly. Maraming overtake from NLEX to SCTX. Ang dami talagang overtake kasi maraming nakababad sa fast lane. So, you really have to maneuver left and right. Yun guys, so from Makati to Subic, we used 56%. So natira 44%. So not bad guys. For me, okay na yun. The way I was driving, I was driving it pretty fast. So for me, okay na yun, matipid-tipid na. Okay. Even guys, hindi ako nagtitipid talaga sa pedal. As in, I was really flooring it sa SCTX kasi maluwag naman yung road. Trying to save some time as well. So for me, pwede na. Pero if you drive it on chill, siguro, and you drive it like hindi ka nag-overtake, you're on the middle lane, I'm sure you could save a lot of consumption in terms of energy. But ako, the way I'm driving sometimes, this is how I drive normally when I go to Subic or Baguio. But siguro sa Baguio guys, I will do it on chill mode instead of normal mode kasi that's a longer trip. And let's try to do it in one go, meaning kaya naman with one charge lang, full charge. But yeah, this is the first time na basically lilabas namin ni Andrea on a semi-long trip. And no problems, ang sarap i-drive. Andrea's complaint lang is the seats kasi they are performance seats, so medyo masakit siya sa side if you want to sleep. So for people who want to buy the performance model, maybe you have to consider that. Maybe get the long range rear wheel drive, yung mas normal yung seats. But for me guys, as a driver, I like it and sanay na ako kasi I've been driving this car for over a month na. So for me, walang problema. Pero for Andrea, she's not really used to the seats. But in terms of the ride, very comfortable. I mean, the adaptive suspension does a very good job. It's very, kahit, even in NLEX guys, medyo malubak-lubak. Pero okay naman. Show baby yung Subic ko. So kain muna kami ng rallies guys. Tapos later we'll continue the vlog. I'm gonna charge the car sa Ayala Malls, which is opposite of the hotel. Malapit lang guys. There's a fast charger there para mag-top up ulit tayo. Look at how beautiful. Sarap pag-drive dito guys. A lot of car reviewers, they always drive here in Subic, Clark, of course Baguio. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so I'm here at Ayala Harbor Point, Subic. Dito ako nag-charge guys ngayon. Unfortunately, wala pang permit yung DC charger. So the only one that works guys yung 22 kilowatt dito. So medyo matagal-tagal. Pero it's fine guys. I still have enough basically what do you call this? Battery to go all the way to Clark. Kasi from Subic magka-Clark tayo. I'm just topping up right now habang may oras. Then tomorrow I'll top up again. And yeah, this car has been very good. Of course, it's a new car guys. Pero sobrang sulit. Super happy with it. Yun guys, I'm trying to charge to 100%. So, tagal pa guys. So, I might watch a movie first. So, pagdating ko, siguro nasa 80% to. Something like that. 80-85%. Or have dinner. But like I said guys, even though, even the medyo mainit kanina, once the car is moving, wala namang problema. It's at standstill for a long period of time. Siguro you're gonna feel a little heat sa head. Pero it doesn't bother me. The aircon system is good, like I said. And suspension's really good. I'm really surprised with this suspension. It's firm, but it's comfortable, well damped. Absorbs the potholes very well. Wala siyang jittery, feeling. Like some cars guys, pag tumama ka sa pothole, well, depending on the price point of course of the car, pero para may jittery feeling, ito hindi, solid siya, which is good, okay siya. But of course when you drive a performance EV, whatever brand that is, BYD or Tesla or Zeekr or the higher brands like Li Auto, medyo of course BMW, they're EVs. You're gonna drive this car really quick and fast, and you're gonna take over a lot because it's so easy to take over in an EV in general, whether anong klaseng EV yan, kasi the torque is instant. So that's what I like about this car. And of course, electricity is still cheaper than gas at the end of the day. Dito sa Subic guys, there's a couple here, yun ya, problema, there's only 22 kilowatt. The fast charger na 60 kilowatt pala pa. I checked in Solaris app, meron 2 hotels that have, but I just don't know, baka mamaya 7 kilowatt charger lang siya. Tapos, I think SM, of course SM would have. That's all I know. So, BYD guys sa Subic, dumaan ako, problema, hindi pa, it's not yet active, they're fast charging. So yun lang alam ko. Anyway, let's continue this vlog until Clark. truck hanggang... So, sa Tesla po
Kahit
siya.
hindi Tesla.
Okay, basta ano.
Ano po?
Laos.
Multi-brand.
Kunin ko nga card mo, mamaya, Mark.
Sige po,
Diba?
bigay ko na rin sa boss ko. sir.
Sige.
Wala ka.
It-
Isa lang yung may calling card dito.
Okay. Ito yung spray booth.
Yes po.
Ang ganda, ah. Oo.
Sa painting.
Controlled talaga.
Opo, meron din siyang, tsaka may ano na po yan, may parang dry iron siya.
Okay.
Yan, mga finish po na ano, mga finish po na job dyan.
Paint mixing room. Bakit ito mga Ford? Ano yan? They're just parking here? Parang
Hindi,
gano'n? Or...
mga collision po rin.
Puro collision to?
Yes, yes.
Ang dami ah.
Iba-iba yung kasi
puro bago pa to, ah.
matagal na yung iba, kaya lang na,
Na...
since yung LOA kasi minsan matagal lumabas.
Para sa
Kaya,
insurance.
Ngayon natetenga ng matagal.
Natetenga dito.
Opo.
Kahit ito, mga to ah. Mga Jetour.
Yes sir, ito, bagong gawa ngayon din.
Gawa.
Then ito, wala pa yung LOA niyan, baka may problema pa sila.
Ito yung sa front.
Hindi, yung cherry na yan.
Pero yung collision niya, harap? Parang may
Opo,
nakalat
yun,
eh.
yung collision niya.
Okay.
Ayun, yung crafter naman na yun, waiting parts pa yung compressor.
Compressor.
Opo, AC compressor.
Okay. Size sequence. I guess this is from Germany ba to? Or yung, di ba? Parang eh.
Tsaka yung brand, ito po yung brand ng yung Seekers na yung brand
Seekers.
ng paint.
Yung brand ng paint.
Opo,
Okay.
sa automotive talaga. Kahit sa car world po, yan yung
Yun yung... Galing ah. Kuya. Yun
So
eh.
yung nag-mix ng
Paint.
paint po.
Kamusta?
Sa mga colors.
Ito. Parang ginagawa dito. No? Okay. Kasi pinost lang sa akin sa Tesla Group.
Opo.
Saan pwede mag-charge sa Clark. Napadaan ako.
Ako po kasi yun yun.
Accredited.
Yes, sir.
Sa Manila ba meron? Accredited na...
Ay, hindi ko lang po alam. Kasi dito siya, kaya na-credited ng Tesla si Laos. Kasi meron siyang mga materials na mga gamit na pang aluminum.
Okay. Got it.
Mga special sa body.
So,
Like yung Tesla, yan.
maraming aluminum parts yun eh.
Aluminum parts yan. Especially yung body niya, halos yata aluminum.
Kailangan magaan kasi yung battery. Galing. So talagang this buo, collision lang.
Collision po. Ito po.
Walang mechanical, wala.
Doon po yung mechanical. Kung saan tayo
Meron.
nag-charge doon, banda. Yun yung
For
mechanical.
other cars, no?
Yes, po.
Pero of course sa Tesla, wala namang mechanical yun eh.
Opo. Just Laos lang yung meron dito.
Okay.
Yung align ng body.
Tama. Pag na-misalign sa bangga. Ito.
Mondaro na bangga.
Laki.
Kaya lang iniintay ko yung software niyan kasi
Sa
nagpa-update po yung software ni Carolina which
Okay.
galing pa siya ng kasi sa ibang bansa.
Siguro Japan, di ba?
Hindi-
Or
Europe
Thailand.
yata siya.
Europe.
siya. Opo.
Pag computer,
Opo.
Okay. Ganda ng facility nyo, laki.
Malaki siya.
So kahit maraming units
Before,
pwede.
kasama to. Kaya lang kinuha lang ni Suzuki.
Suzuki na may nito.
Nagre-renta sila.
Pero ang balita ko, magkakaroon daw ng Tesla sa Clark. Yun ang balita.
Meron dito sir.
What do you mean? Tesla na...
Ay, BYD pa rin. So,
Tesla wala pa eh.
Wala pa.
Pero alam ko may balita na Tesla sa Clark eh. Kasi nandito yung airport, di ba?
Ako yung A5 mo sir.
Yes. No, A3 pa yan. Iba pa yan.
Iba pa yun.
A3 pa yan. Oo. Hey guys, so we're back here at BGC. Magcha-charge tayo sa Tesla Supercharger dito sa Uptown Mall. And I left Clark guys 46%. Naka-chill mode ako just to save on battery. And let me tell you, this car is pretty efficient for a performance model. And naka-chill mode ako pero nag-overtake naman ako guys from time to time. And it's really good actually. Basically, magcha-charge tayo kasi I'm at 22%. So 22% in this car is, or kala ko nga guys, I thought below 20% ako. Pero 22% is 110 kilometers pa. So sakto lang guys. Hindi ko sinagad, which is good. So yan, charge muna tayo. Yun guys, just hit 20% and we're just waiting. Puno guys, full house here in Uptown Mall. So 4. Tapos guys, nakakatawa, parang may nag-away pa kanina kasi I think another car was waiting and yun yan, nag-wait siya tapos meron sumingit. It's funny. I don't know, it's funny lang. For me, it's like funny guys. You should give way, right? Sino mauna, yun ang mag-charge, diba? Courtesy lang. And pero some people don't have that siguro. But anyway, yan. So full house, I'm just waiting here, chilling. 20%, sakto lang. I left Clark at 46% chill mode. And now, nandito na ako. Just waiting. Sakto lang. 20 to 80% I'll charge. And let's see how long that takes. So, see you in a bit. Bilis guys, no? Basically 30 minutes, 20 to 80. Ginawa ko nga 85% guys. So 30 minutes, that's really quick. So once I'm done here, I'm gonna get out of the, of the slot so other people can charge. Dapat ganun talaga. Don't overstay guys. And any EV owner, don't overstay. Once you charge, get out or park in another slot so you could continue your day, but don't stay kasi there's other cars also, diba? Courtesy lang.